rear spoil on my hand. So I'm going to choose the different color of. Hello guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. As you can find the rear spoil on my hand, this is for INEOS Grenadier, and we are already finished the mood tuning of the INEOS Grenadier rear spoil, which we are going to make gloss black, and we can find our quality of the painting is the best in the market, and we do also the front face and the rear back side with the gloss black painting. So when you receive the rear spoil, you will get the tape and also the sticker, which to make the sticker more stronger. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix the rear spoil, and we have a lot of the option of the INEOS Grenadier in my showroom. One is the white one, the brown one, the blue one, the green one, and the black one. All because we will test the rear spoil and to see what's the difference when we fit the gloss black rear spoil on the car. And we can find this shape, this size of the both sides. We make a longer, which is match for the flat to the rear rack. So follow my step to see how to fix the tabs and use this one to make the tab more stronger. Just open the back. We have finished the 3M tab on the back side, so I'm going to choose the different color of the car body to fix my gloss black rear spoil. And this is the brown one. The brown is dark brown, which some color similar like the red and the purple. So this is very nice and gentle, gallant. So this rear spoil we can find just use a tap on this insert side and to fix on the car. Okay, so we can find the fitment is so perfect because it's matched for the roof rack on this side, so it's longer enough, and on the side outlook it looks very nice and elegant.